Welcome everybody to a new school year. I would like to invite you to move your body, move your mind, move your vision, move to the beat, move forward, and move together.
Communication, travel, technology. It's always changing. In the fast-paced world, we're always on the move, growing mentally, physically, and emotionally.
Question, try, share.
In this new school year, we will challenge you with questions, try new solutions, and share what you've discovered along the way.
I encourage everyone to observe the creative and fun experiences this year. Collect information as you ask, try, and share.
Stretch your imagination as you ask yourself questions, brainstorm solutions, test new ideas, and discover extraordinary explanations.
To truly answer all the questions that have been thrown at us, we need a common way to guide us on our path.
This year we are going to be focusing on performing arts and visual arts separately because you might have a lot of questions to ask.
Welcome to Move to the Beat. I will be focusing on the performing arts. There's singing, dancing, acting, and so much more. I'm looking forward to seeing how you move to the beat this year.
Welcome to Move Your Vision. Move Your Vision is focusing on visual arts. Visual arts include sewing, cooking, painting, and sculpting, and so much more.
Oh, hello! Welcome to Move Your Mind. I'm reading a book. Moving Your Mind is about literacy and storytelling. I love to read and create stories that all children will have fun with. I look forward to seeing how you move your mind this year. Welcome to Moving Forward. This is all about science, technology, engineering, arts, and math, or STEAM for short.
Welcome to Move Your Body. I'm focusing on athletics. In order to stay active this year, you gotta breathe and drink water. Let's get active. We're gonna do baseball, basketball, soccer, and dancing, or yoga. Let's see what fun things or skills you have to move your body.
Welcome to Move Together. I encourage community involvement. I would like to see how you volunteer and come together this year.
I can't wait to hear your questions about moving your body, moving your mind, moving your vision, moving to the beat, moving forward, and moving together. Have an awesome 2018 to 2019 school year.